Tropical Mango Cold Brew, the ultimate summer coffee you need to try. Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a Tropical Mango Cold Brew, a refreshing, fruity twist on your classic iced coffee. This drink blends smooth cold brew with sweet, juicy mango for the perfect summer vibe in a glass. If you love bold coffee with a tropical kick, this recipe is for you. Let's dive into this refreshing creation. Ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup cold brew coffee, O-cup fresh or frozen mango chunks, 2-3 tablespoons mango juice or nectar, 1-2 teaspoons honey or simple syrup, O-cup milk or a dairy-free alternative milk ice. Directions: start by preparing the mango layer. In a blender, combine the mango chunks with the mango juice or nectar and blend until smooth and slightly thick. If you prefer a smoother texture, you can strain the mixture, but it's optional. Fill a tall glass with ice, then pour the mango puree into the bottom of the glass. Slowly add your milk over the mango layer to create a beautiful gradient effect. Next, gently pour the cold brew coffee over the top. This will create a layered look with the deep coffee color floating above the creamy and vibrant mango base. If you like your drink sweeter, stir in a little honey or simple syrup. Give everything a gentle mix before drinking, or sip it layered for a fun flavor experience. And that's your Tropical Mango Cold Brew, refreshing, fruity, and perfectly smooth. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your coffee-loving friends. It's the perfect drink to cool down and switch up your coffee routine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious and creative coffee recipe. Happy sipping, friends! Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com/3coffeelover.